We are going to learn about Golgi complex, which is also called Golgi apparatus or Golgi bodies, which is a cell organelle that processes and packages protein and lipid. These protein and lipids are synthesized in the endoplasmic reticulum. So it help in processing and packaging protein and lipids before sending them to their final destination within the cell or outside the cell. So it is a key component of endomembrane system and is often described as the cell's post office. Cell का post office कहते हैं due to its role in sorting and shipping cellular products. So Golgi complex is a stack of flattened membrane bound sac which is called cisternae. Often found near the nucleus, it has a distinct polarity with a cis phase receiving end and trans phase seeping end. So it is typically found in the cytoplasm of eukaryotic cell, plant cell, animal cell, often near the endoplasmic reticulum and the nucleus. Its function is it modifies, sort and packages protein and lipids synthesized in endoplasmic reticulum. It also adds sugar molecules to protein process called glycosylation and also add sugar molecules to lipids called glycolipids and sphygmomyelin. It also plays important role in the synthesis of complex polysaccharide in plant cell wall. About transportation, it packages these modified molecules into vesicles. It packages these modified molecules into vesicles which bud formation take place are transported to lysosomes, the cell membrane or secreted outside the cell. It helps in transportation. It packages these modified molecules into vesicles which bud off are transported to lysosomes, cell membrane or secreted outside the cell. The Golgi complex is closely associated with endoplasmic reticulum and vesicle forming part of the endomembrane system. Lysosome which contain digestive enzymes are also formed from Golgi derived vesicles. Very important points. Lysosome which contain digestive enzymes are also formed from Golgi derived vesicles. Polarity, the cis phase receive vesicle from endoplasmic reticulum while the trans phase sorts and packages molecules for transports. So Golgi complex is critical processing and packaging center within the cell.